Good morning. It is Tuesday, January 14th, and here is what I'm doing today. I just woke up, so I made coffee and I'm making oatmeal from scratch. I put oatmeal in and water, a little bit, a pinch of salt, some brown sugar, some maple syrup, some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some raisins, and I just uh, diced up an apple. I was going to do two apples, but there seems to be a lot of pieces with one apple, so I'm going to show you what I did. And here we have the oatmeal. So now I just turned it off so it's nice and thick. And there's lots of pieces of apple and stuff. This will be for at least a couple of mornings, or if my kids want to have it after school, there's that too. But Abby and I are going to have it this morning. Rowan and Daddy have already left for work and school, so we are going to have this. I'm going to give each of us a nice hearty bowl of it, and there'll definitely be leftovers. And here is what I'm sending my daughter Abby for lunch. There's that little bit of avocado crema from my in-laws taco night, so we had that. Meal replacement strawberry drink, some salted almonds, an applesauce, and some naan crackers for the dip. I'm unsure what she'll eat of this, but because she tends to just be eating snackish size portions, as her stomach has not been, it's always been nauseous for the last, year. So this is in case she doesn't actually eat much. At least she'll get, I got the one with plus calories, so that she can have at least some, there's 370 calories, at least something. So there we go. Here is my leftovers from lunch today. I'm going to put that in the fridge for my lunch tomorrow. My friend picked it up and brought over a shawarma plate. Now I got the leftovers. So tonight I am making turkey. I got the turkey for free, so free is great. And I'm making mashed potatoes, some gravy from the drippings, and some chicken bovril mix, and cornstarch, and some water, and a can of cranberry sauce, and a package of instant stuffing. There's the cranberry sauce and the stuffing. Yum. I did it in the microwave. And there's the mashed potatoes, lots of it. And I'm making the gravy. I also put some poultry seasoning and garlic salt pepper powder in there. I got it from the dollar store. There it is. Garlic pepper. There's also salt in there. And my turkey looks wonderful, doesn't it? It's huge. I couldn't find my roasting pan, and it was too big for my orange casserole dish, so I just did it on my big flat pan, and it's cooked wonderfully. Only the hardest part is getting the juices from it to make the gravy, so, but I will have more when it comes out of the oven. So there is the beautiful turkey. You know it's done. It's when they're starting to break apart right here. The leg is separating from the turkey. And there's the juices. I just put water on it when it was cooking to get some of this stuff off. And I'll make more gravy with that for another time. But I didn't do anything. I just threw it in the oven. It still has all the things, the neck and stuff, stuffed inside. I did not take it out. But see, you don't need to have a roasting pan to cook a turkey. I did on a cookie sheet. You just use what you got and do with it now. We're going to have a lot of turkey meat. I'm going to be putting a lot of it in the freezer.